Hello, in this video I will show you how to streamline calculation of crystal structure fingerprints using Python script that can be generated in interactive interface. Uh, to generate this Python script, you have to navigate to this website. I will put its link to the description of this video, and once you are here, you can choose that which descriptor you want to use. Currently, I implemented 3 options from Python package tscribe, and then you can specify the parameters of the fingerprint model and generate this Python script that you can directly run, and it will calculate the fingerprint on each crystal structure that you put into the input folder. And additionally, it will automatically convert the fingerprints for each structure into 2D space using stochastic neighbor embedding method. And additionally, you can then plot it into 2D space and include energy of each structure as a heat map, and potentially you can determine some clustering or some similarities or any patterns in your structures. Okay, so let's illustrate it on an example. And yeah, so I am on this website, and let's say I want to use the SOAP descriptor with all these predetermined settings, and then if I generate a Python script, I can simply copy it and use it, and the input files that I have is, and I must have, is this folder which is called structures, and I will put here all the structure files that I want to use for the fingerprint, on which I want to calculate the fingerprint. And then it's not necessary, but if you want to plot the 2D space with heat map of the energies, you need to include this file called energies, and it looks like this. So the first column is the name of each structure, and the second column is its energy. In my case, it's a formation energy calculated by some universal machine learning interatomic potential, but you can use any data here. Okay, so now I can open my console. I am in this same folder, and now I will create the Python script with this content. Okay, and in order to run this Python script, I need to install some Python packages. So the packages that I need are listed on the GitHub of this project. I will likely also add this requirement somewhere here on this website, and this documentation soon I will also extend, but for now I just need to do these 3 steps. So I need to activate Python virtual environment, then I first created the environment, and now I need to activate it, and into this virtual environment I need to install these packages. So let's do it. It will just take a few seconds, and once it's finished, I can run the script that I created here. So let's wait. Okay, it's done. So now I will run it, and it calculated fingerprint on each structure that it found in this structures folder, and then it it converted each fingerprint of each structure into 2D space using the t-SNE method, and it also created this output file that I can use in this interface to plot the 2D space, 2D map interactively. So if I just put this file here, I can see immediately like uh, how it looks like, so I can determine if there are any patterns in it or not. Yeah, and I can modify the color map if I need and do some other stuff. Okay, so that's all that's currently implemented here. I will extend it with some additional functionalities, and hopefully you will find this also useful for you. Thank you for your attention.